Why aren't you using... Found it!
Oh, Abra. Watch it teleport away.
Easy! Better center. Caught it!
This guy gonna be trying to run a frickin' Alakazam. What a piece of shit.
Alright. If it's Adamant nature, I'm gonna be mad.
If it's adamant, you have to use it.
No.
No, you are forced to use it. It's a new rule. It's brave.
Well, we know what we're doing for the rest of this evening.
Oh, wait. What is brave? It's what, defense up, special down?
No. It's the second worst one to get.
What is it then?
Attack up, speed down.
Oh.
So we have to
Ooh.
go back up and refind it again. Man, I have to go back up this route again. The reason why I'm a little rant because Alakazam can literally destroy everything in this game from here on out. Once it gets to Cadaver level.
Until my superly decked out, fully special defense Eevee comes in with that hot dark move that it has.
The dark move's physical.
Yeah, I know.
Where's my Abra? I don't care about that thing. Where the okay.
Oh wow, we both just found something. You get your Abra, I found a Chansey. Wait, I gotta change balls.
Okay. Yes! Okay. Please be the right nature this time. Hey. I got my Furo, by the way.
Nice.
You got 20... Yeah, you gotta use those.
Let's do this shit.
Ooh.
Oh my god, why is it throwing it that way?
Ooh.
Oh, that could be the crit catch.
That could
One,
be the...
two,
three.
three.
Wow!
Easy money.
So now you
That's
have a
the
counter
champion.
my Alakazam. Well, this is a problematic situation. Alright, did I at least get the right nature this time? Okay, level 14, that's good.
Gub, can I get a fuck damn it?
Huh? Damn it.
That's your Alakazam right there. You have to use that. You have to use that.
No! I'm already using Better than that. I don't need you.
No, you have to use that. You have to use that.